Hello Year 6, this video is a short introduction to your new topic in geography. We are going to be looking at a continent in great detail. Now I have a couple of clues, really easy clues for you to guess which continent we are going to be looking at. First clue is the picture on my wall behind me, which is my favourite animal ever. And my second clue is my globe, what I'm looking at right now on my globe. It is, of course, Africa. We're also going to be looking at artwork and famous artists in your upcoming art lessons. So, how many African countries can you name? Pause the video now. Welcome back. Be interesting to see how many you got. There are, in fact, 54 countries in Africa. It is the second largest continent after Asia. And there are over 1.1 billion people who live here. In your geography lessons, you will be naming and locating all 54 of these countries. And then we're going to look closely at 5 countries in particular. And these countries are Nigeria, Morocco, Central African Republic, Tanzania and South Africa. Oh, we're really, really lucky because in our school we have children from all over the world. And I know that in my class, I know there are children who have actually visited different countries in Africa to see their family. I also know that there are children in Year 6 who can speak different African languages as well. Did you know there are over 2,000 different languages that are spoken throughout Africa? In history, you have been looking at ancient Egypt. So you'll already know quite a few things about African geography. For example, what is the longest river in the world? Of course, it's the River Nile, but did you know it goes through 11 countries? So I know you're really, really going to enjoy learning for your art and your geography lessons more about the hottest continent in the world, which is Africa. And I'm going to show you a short video clip now of some of the things you can expect to be looking at in your new topic. Enjoy.
This is Earth. Maybe you've heard of it. I sure hope so, because you live on one of its 7 continents. Guess which continent is the hottest? That's right, you guessed it, Africa. Africa is home to the largest desert in the world, the Sahara. It's massive. Its total area spans over 3 million square miles. It's the size of an entire country. Seriously, it's almost the size of the United States. But Africa isn't all sand and dunes, not by a long shot. A little ways south of the Sahara is the Congo rainforest. It's the second largest rainforest in the world, and it's full of life. Mammals, birds, amphibians, and close to 10,000 species of plants. Let's take a quick trip to the African savannah to check out all the wildlife. This tropical grassland covers almost 65% of Africa. And where there's grass, there are herbivores, also known as plant eaters. Zebras, elephants, giraffes, and gazelles all graze off the land in large herds for safety because these herbivores live alongside predators. The big cats aren't the only carnivores in town. Crocodiles roam near the banks of the shore. Hyenas and wild dogs also roam this continent in search of their next meal. Millions of people come to visit the savannah every year to see these amazing animals in their natural habitat, rain or shine. Because the savannah has only 2 seasons, wet and dry. It's not just wildlife that lives here. There's another animal who shares this beautiful continent. Humans. It's hard to believe that one of the oldest civilizations on Earth began in Africa. in ancient Egypt to be exact, dating back over 5,000 years. Today, there are over 1 billion people living on the continent of Africa, in 56 different countries, speaking over 1,500 languages, living in large cities and small villages. All are residents of the second largest continent on Earth, Africa.